Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Cuban style black beans and this is a quick version. If you don't know how to bake beans or make them from scratch, this is an easy way to do it. And we are going to need a few ingredients that you probably have at home. Onion, green bell pepper, 2 cans of black beans, oil, garlic, salt, cumin powder, dry oregano, and half a bay leaf. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe for more videos. The first thing we're going to do is the same thing that we did with the gallo pinto, and that is we're going to drain the beans and we're going to reserve the broth. Once we have done that, we're going to put the pan on the stove, put the oil, and heat it to medium high. To medium or medium high? Probably medium. We're going to saute the bell peppers and the onions for about 10 minutes. We don't want them to burn, we just want them, saute. Then we add the garlic and cook for about 30 seconds so that it releases its oils. Followed by the cumin, the oregano, the salt, and the bay leaf. You wanna toast the cumin powder for about 30 seconds because it is a very invasive spice and you don't want it to be hard to digest. Now we add the beans and that didn't splatter because we removed the liquid. We're gonna add the broth plus half a cup of water. So in total I'm adding 2 cups of liquid. We're gonna bring it to a boil. That is medium high to high heat for about 15 minutes. We want the liquid to reduce, and while it's reducing, you're gonna press the beans with the spoon. Once the time has elapsed, it's ready to serve, and I served it with Vaca Frita, another Cuban dish, and white rice. Thanks for watching. Thank you for the likes and the subscriptions, and we'll see you in the next video.